Alright, let's go up and check this bobcat cubby again. Put some more bait in here yesterday. What? What did you get? Nothing, I'm going up right now. Oh. I'll be right back. We put some more bait in here yesterday. Fixed the trap. One of these days we're going to come up here and there's going to be a cat waiting for us up here. I think I can see the cubby from here. I guess it's not going to be today. Yeah, those are big cat tracks. That's a big cat. That's the one we want right there. Yeah, that's a good one. Oh, we got something, guys. Looks like a bird, maybe. Oh, we got a fisher cat, guys. Look at that. Look at that. Look at you. You are beautiful. And you absolutely annihilated my cubby. Well, that's all right, buddy. We'll take it. We will take it. Hey, fella. Oh, there it is, guys. I thought that was a cat track back there, but it was not. All right. We're going to take care of this, and probably going to rebuild this. I got a bunch of beaver furs to put up today. So, awesome. All right. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you in the next one. Pull that beaver out. That's good. All right, guys. You saw the fish cat. Boy, what a beautiful animal that was. That was a big one too, really big. But there's the remake. We got 3 days to catch bobcat before the end of the season comes. Today's the 28th, and December 31st is the last day for trapping. So, let me know in the comments if you think we're going to pull this off. I'm going to try with everything I have. I'd love to catch a bobcat here. And a fish cat. Same cubby, same year. That'd be great. Alright, well, we're off to the next adventure. Thanks for watching.